Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we help you get the most out of your mobile devices. Today, I am going to show you how to listen to radio on Android phone using the built-in features your device already has. So now, let's get started. Step 1. Locate and open the radio app on your phone's app drawer or home screen. This native application allows you to access local broadcasts without using any of your cellular data. Step 2. Plug your headphones into the phone's audio jack because they act as a physical antenna for the radio signal. Without them, the app will likely not be able to pick up any frequencies or play audio clearly. Step 3. Click on the Start or Power button within the app interface to begin scanning for active signals. This initializes the receiver so you can start hearing the live broadcast currently being transmitted. Step 4. Navigate to the station list or use the tuning arrows to change the frequency to any station you want to listen to. This gives you the freedom to browse through different genres and find the exact channel you prefer. Step 5. Tap on the 3 dots in the corner to find the menu and select play through speaker if you want to listen to the audio loudly. This is a great option for sharing the music with others while still keeping the headphones plugged in as an antenna. Step 6. You can record any song or segment by clicking the Start Record button and then check your saved records in the Saved Recordings folder. This feature is perfect for capturing your favorite moments so you can listen to them again later at your convenience. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.